how to enter the BIOS on an HP laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open up the BIOS so that you can change different things on your HP laptop. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the easiest way that I've found to enter the BIOS on an HP laptop is to simply go down to the Windows Start button, and then we want to select the power button, and we need to reboot it, but we need to reboot into recovery mode. So you do that by holding down the Shift key on your keyboard. You just hold it down and then select Restart. So hold down the Shift key the entire time it's rebooting until you see the blue screen when we're in recovery mode. So keep holding it down. You'll see HP and then please wait. Keep holding it down. All right, now that the screen has turned blue and you see choose an option, you can let go of the Shift key and go down, select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options. From there, select UEFI firmware settings, and then we'll need to just select Restart so that it reboots and we'll be in the BIOS. So select Restart, give it some time to reboot. So depending on your HP laptop, that might put you in the BIOS. If not, look on the screen and mine just says BIOS setup is F10. So I'm going to select F10 on my keyboard. And then now there we go. We are in the BIOS for this laptop. You might be able to use your mouse depending on your BIOS, but you can also use your keyboard to go through the different options here. So if I needed to go over and turn on secure boot, it would just be under boot options right there. Whenever you're done with the BIOS, you can exit by, on this one, just going over to exit, and make sure you save your changes in exit so that anything you did is saved. I'm going to go to ignore changes because I didn't do anything. And then I'm going to hit enter and confirm, and it'll reboot. And once it reboots, I will no longer be in the BIOS on this HP laptop. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.